put that back in. Okay, just so I don't forget, the primary of this transformer was burned out. So my neutral comes off of that white tap here. I have a wire just for a reminder. My hot or that shear is the same as that red alligator or push-on connection wire push-on. I temporarily have a black wire reminding me. My secondaries are this blue that shear on the first terminal, nothing on the top, but over here on the second from the end, it shares with the yellow. So if you see right there, and I have it cut short. So my secondary goes blue, blue, primary, black, white, and the transformer sat right there, which is the guy right there. And I'll look that up in a second.